This isn't peace, it's a pause. You're seeing headlines about a ceasefire, 2 weeks, conditional, dependent on things like shipping routes reopening. But if you look deeper, military activity hasn't fully stopped. Capabilities are still intact, positions are still being held, and this is where most people misunderstand the situation. They hear ceasefire and assume the risk is gone. But in markets, a pause doesn't remove risk. It just delays it because nothing structural has changed. Energy routes are still uncertain, supply risks are still there. Positioning hasn't fully unwound. So price might stabilize, even pull back. But that doesn't mean the pressure is gone. It just means the market is waiting. This is the difference between headlines and structure.